Silence yourself.
No.
God, you have a big mouth.
I know. What?
You're loud.
I know.
You're a loud mouth.
Yeah.
You stupid idiot. Stupid.
I don't have enough breath to do that.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
Stupid idiot.
I'm very offended by what you're calling me.
Hey, when you talk, all I hear is blah, blah, blah.
Oh, blah, 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 blah.
That's the language of
Ah, blah, blah, blah. Ah, blah, 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 blah.
you're an idiot. Idiot.
Is that all you can say? That just didn't grow.
Blah, 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 blah.
Bah!
You guys are so angry. You made my TV voice come out.
Grr.
You don't too often.
Turn into the Hulk and shut up.
You're gonna make my demon voice come out again. And that's not gonna make me happy. It's gonna make me
Oh, really? Is that why it's called your angry voice?
You're making me really angry right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How mad?
Yeah.
How? How? How mad?
5 times in a row just so you get to do your stupid thick skull.
I know.
God, you're a bonehead.
I have not heard that word in like 3 years.
What's a
Everyone
bonehead?
calls me
Shut up.
No!
I hear that.
No one cares.
Nobody wants to hear that.
No, 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 no.
You don't even want to hear yourself because you're so dumb.
I know.
She's talking to Christopher.
Go on.
You're on candy camera.
Bye
Bye. Say bye, Christopher.
bye.
Tell Chris.
What?
Say bye.
Why?
Say goodbye.
'Cause you're on camera.
What?
Just say bye.
Bye?